Vanakkam, I am Jeeva, working as an Assistant Professor of IUCEE at Ramco Institute of Technology, Rajapalayam. First of all, welcome IUCEE Online Teaching-Capstone Project Submission. Let's restart the Canvas LMS Vitual tool. I am selected as the Canvas as my LMS. In this semester, I am handling the discrete time signal processing for 5th semester EC students and digital electronics for the 3rd semester EC students. These are my published courses. The Canvas tool is depends on the discrete time signal processing. In this subject, I enrolled 36 students. My home page is set by my syllabus. This year, IUCEE syllabus, it follows the 5 units. It is a 4 credit paper, and 36 pupils are added by using official mail ID. So all the students are added, and one observer, my HOD will be access a observer of this course. Then I will show the modules. The module 0 consists of some of the basic documents and split the remaining modules as unit 1, unit 2 like this. And also I am included the previous year questions papers, IUCEE question papers also for students reference. The first module, the introductory module, consists of the student name list. 36 students are available in this course. Students are available in this course. Student syllabus already, which is placed in the home page also. The prerequisite of this course is the fundamentals of signals and system and some basic mathematical functions, and the students also know about the Z transform. These are the prerequisites of this course. We included the CO-PO matrix. It shows the course objectives and outcomes and CO-PO mapping. Then also the PO1 to PO12 is available. So these are the course outcomes. For each unit has one separate outcomes, and here mapping the CO-PO matrix and PSO matrix. Then timetable of this course is the subject is 4 credit paper. So each week I am having the 5 hours. Out of which 1 hour is considered a tutorial hour. So these are the timetable. Next I am showing my contact hours. This is the meeting hours. For meeting hours is for the purpose of the doubt clearance class, which will be available at Friday 3:30 to 4:30 p.m. Both the Google Meet and WhatsApp also available. The students are asking any question about in this group and Google Meet also. Next, the contact hours. This is the contact hours. Monday, 2nd hour, 10:45 to 11:45. Tuesday, 4th hour, 2:15 to 3:15. And Wednesday, I am having the 2 hours. First hour is 9:30 to 10:30, and the 3rd hour is 12 to 1 o'clock. Thursday, I don't have any class. Then Friday, 3rd hour. These contact hours are conducted by using the Google Meet platform. And this is the lecture plan. So each unit, the analysis requires 60 hours. So each unit have 12 to 13 hours. Generally, 12 to 13 hours. And I am using as the teaching aids, PPT and digital writing pad. I am purchased the XP Pen Star. By using that, I am taught that problematic paper easily. And after that online teaching, I know about this one notebook presented by the head sir. After that, I am using this one notebook effectively. And some pre-recorded lecture. Some of the recorded lecture for the other source. I am mostly refer the Khan Academy material. So it is the basic of the convolution. That is a video lecture of the other resources. So this is the Khan Academy. Then after that, so this is the unit 1 materials. So here I am posted my PPT and my PDF materials for the student study purpose for future reference. So by using the digital writing pad, I am taught the problematic paper. Then I am included the NPTEL videos for recorded lecture, and this one is the my pre-recorded lecture. This is taught by me. In the case of discrete inverse discrete Fourier transform by using the pre-recorded lecture, and I am included the university 2 marks question with the answer is a study material. And we go for the announcement section for discussion. For module discussion, I will share the differentiate between DFT and FFT will be posted for the discussion forum. So some of the students are reply for that. And announcement. For announcement, my class link will be shared in this announcement also, and also passed through the WhatsApp and mail. Then one quiz will be conducted through this canvas. The student responses are like this. Then assignment. One assignment will be posted for the first unit. The 34 out of 36, 34 members will uploaded, and I am graded for 34 students. The grades of this overall grade book of the 36 students are like this. So 36 students grades. So these are my Canvas LMS. Then other one discussion, I am asking about the feedback and testimonials of this Canvas LMS. I sent some set of questions about this Canvas LMS feedback. The students are reply along. So students are very satisfied about this Canvas LMS because they feel about The materials are easily at the time of reference easily download and study the exam very well, and some of them frequently use that Canvas in regular for this pandemic situation, and most of the members are used for mobile also, so it is user friendly Canvas. So most of the members give the very nice feedback. The reflection on this IUCEE online teaching is I am learn about lot of the new online teaching materials. The most likeable one is this one notebook one notebook. This is very useful for my teaching. My handwritten notes are scanned and uploaded in this one notebook. Easily the students are reference, and my explanation will be written in right side. It is very useful for my students. They feel very easy to study the derivations very easily. And intermediately I am conduct some of the activities like cold square and straw poll. So these techniques are I know about only this IUCEE online teaching only. I am very happy to attend that course. I thank my management, principal sir and HOD madam for this wonderful opportunity. And polls activities by using this polls everywhere. So these activities are enjoyed a lot of my students. These are the information. Then another one is in the straw poll also conducted for my students. So the results are finally shown to the students. They will very happy. So 17 votes that will be declared in the manner. Then Prabhula ma'am also said that 1 minute paper is conducted by online through this Google form. At that time I am using this Google form as a unit 1 feedback. I am asking some of the question about the modules related, first unit related. So the students gave the good response. Out of 36, 31 actively participate in this Google form. So most of the students give the nice feedback, and also I get the positive reply among the students. For good thing in my teaching, they understand the problem is very easily, and explaining the problems clearly because I am using this one notebook, and delivering and teaching problems, and if you differentiate with many color and interactively. So these are the very positive comments from this from the students. I am very happy to attend that IUCEE online teaching course. I thank Dr. Krishna Vidula sir and Hayes sir and Sridhar sir. Thank you so much.